Hey there, wisdom seekers. Have you ever felt like your children just don't respect you? That they might be putting up invisible walls that make communication feel impossible? You're not alone. And today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important, yet often overlooked. In this video, we're going to explore 6 powerful ways to regain respect from your children. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's get started. First off, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. The dynamics of respect can shift dramatically as children grow older. From the simple days of playtime, where you were their superhero, to the tumultuous teenage years where their independence often clashes with your authority. It's a tricky transition. But remember, respect is a two-way street. If you want your children to respect you, it's crucial to understand their perspective, form a connection, and lead by example. Here are some effective ways to help you hit the reset button on respect. Point 1. Communicate openly. Let's face it, communication is key. Ensure that you're fostering an environment that encourages your kids to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. Start by practicing active listening. When they talk to you, give them your full attention and show genuine interest in their lives. Try this. When your child comes home from school, ask open-ended questions such as, "What was the best part of your day?" This shows them you care about their feelings and fosters mutual respect. Point 2. Embrace vulnerability. It's okay to let your kids see your human side. Share your own struggles, mistakes, and lessons learned. There's strength in vulnerability, and by admitting that no one is perfect, you create a safe space for them to open up. For instance, if you've had a rough day, share that experience with them. It helps reinforce the idea that everyone has bad days, and it's okay to reach out for support. Point 3. Set boundaries with love. Establishing boundaries is a vital part of earning respect. Make it clear what behaviors are acceptable and which ones are not, while ensuring you're consistent in enforcing these boundaries. Remember, setting boundaries isn't just about laying down the law, it's about nurturing a trusting relationship. When your kids know what to expect from you and that you're standing firm on your values, it shows them that you care about their well-being. Point 4. Show respect yourself. If you want your children to respect you, it's important to model that behavior. Treat them as individuals with their own thoughts and emotions. Avoid talking down to them. Instead, engage with them as you would with any adult. Tip: when disputes arise, rather than resorting to power plays, approach the conflict calmly and respectfully. This not only teaches your children the value of respect, but also demonstrates how to handle disagreements gracefully. Point 5. Foster independence. As your children grow, allowing them to make their own choices can enhance their sense of respect towards you. It shows that you trust them, which in turn fosters a reciprocal trust. Action step: encourage your children to engage in small but meaningful decision-making. Whether it's planning a family outing or choosing what they want for dinner, acknowledging their voice helps build confidence and respect. Point 6. Celebrate achievements, big and small. Never underestimate the power of acknowledgement. Highlight their accomplishments, be it a good grade, finishing a project, or even a good deed. Celebrating their successes shows them you notice their hard work and care about their journey. Easy practice. You could regularly have a weekly highlights time where each family member shares their proud moments. It creates a positive environment and helps everyone feel valued. There you have it. 6 powerful ways to regain respect from your children. Remember, earning respect doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of understanding. By fostering open communication, embracing vulnerability, setting loving boundaries, modeling respect, encouraging independence, and celebrating their achievements, you can create a foundation for a more respectful relationship with your kids. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wisdom, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep seeking wisdom and nurturing those relationships. Easy practice. You could regularly have a weekly highlights time where each family member shares their proud moments. It creates a positive environment and helps everyone feel valued.